Even though the Philippine Coast Guard, or PCG, is now faced with a tension-filled situation of preventing China's so-called monster ship from getting closer to the country's territory, the rotation and resupply, or RORE, missions in the Ayungin Shoal, conversely, have all been successful and have not been harassed by Chinese vessels of late. Patrick De Jesus has the details.
The Philippine Navy conducted a unilateral exercise within the vicinity of Bao de Masinloc today. BRP Antonio Luna, BRP Ramon Alcaraz, and BRP Andres Bonifacio carried out live-fire drills while also conducting sovereignty patrol in the West Philippine Sea. The said unilateral exercise demonstrates the importance of training as an effective tool in achieving and maintaining level of readiness and interoperability in line with the Navy's mandate in securing Philippine seas and upholding territorial integrity. For 13 days, the Philippine Coast Guard has been closely monitoring the monster ship of the China Coast Guard. Currently, BRP Gabriela Silang is shadowing the vessel to ensure it remains 70 nautical miles away from the coastline of Zambales province. Radio challenges between both sides continue.
To avoid miscalculation, leave the area immediately and stay away from it. Over.
You do not possess any legal authority to patrol inside the Philippines Exclusive Economic Zone. You are directed to depart immediately and notify us of your intentions. Your illegal activity will be reported to higher authorities.
Several lawmakers praised the PCG's actions, despite China testing the country's limits.
Our problem is we have an aggressive neighbor in the north. China is an aggressive neighbor. And I think they're testing the limits and patience of our government and, of course, our armed forces of the Philippines, our Navy, and our Coast Guard. We should practice prudence. We should practice, of course, restraint. Kasi ayaw po natin na-escalate ito. Ayaw po natin ng gulo. Tama po yung ginagawa ng ating Coast Guard na binabantayan itong barkong ito, na monster ship nila. Yung sinashadow, it's called shadowing, no?
Senator J.V. Ejercito emphasized that while he remains hopeful for positive outcomes in the bilateral talks, he also believes the Philippines must strengthen its defense posture. Since July last year, 4 consecutive rotation and resupply RORE missions to BRP Sierra Madre in Ayungin Shoal have been successfully carried out without any reported harassment or untoward incidents. The most recent mission was in December, when Christmas packages were delivered to the troops stationed there, as well as to personnel in 8 other Philippine-occupied features in the West Philippine Sea. During these times, a provisional agreement between the Philippines and China was in place regarding RORE missions to Ayungin. Philippine Foreign Affairs Undersecretary Maria Teresa Lazaro and Chinese Vice Foreign Minister Chen Xiaodong led the 10th bilateral consultation mechanism held in Xiamen, Fujian, China last Thursday. Both parties recognized the positive outcomes of the provisional agreement on RORE missions to BRP Sierra Madre, agreeing to continue its implementation for de-escalation while maintaining their respective national positions. The Philippine government also expressed concern over the continued presence of China's so-called monster ship and other Chinese vessels, which violate the UNCLOS and the Philippine Maritime Zones Act. During the BCM, both sides agreed to strengthen the platform for Coast Guard cooperation between the Philippines and China. Patrick De Jesus from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.